Rated T for teen.
Juice 2 makes it really easy to take a factory stock car and get it performance ready very quickly. I've chosen the S2000 and we're in the body kit section. You can change bumpers, spoilers, you name it, you can change it. Also on the S2000 though, we have extra wide body kit. We're now in the wheels menu. We can pick from loads of different wheels for this car, but I don't want them this small, let's make them really big. The next thing I want to do is lower the car, bring the suspension right down and make it look really neat. So let's go and change the colour. Take it into the paint shop where we've got a number of different options. We've got gloss paint, matte paint, pearlescent, flake, thin film and metallic. Put our body kit on, we've got the colour correct. Now we're going to decal up the car. In this section you can have up to 50 decals on the car, and we've got all sorts of things that you can apply. We've got the basic shapes, logos from the car manufacturers and the aftermarket parts. We've also got numerous airbrush packs, cartoon packs and theme packs. Now these are really nice. You can put them on the car and get something very, very good, very, very quickly and very easily. As you'd expect, there's also all the basic transformations you can do. Decals can be scaled, moved, rotated and flipped. Other more slightly advanced operations that you can do with the decals are you can change the opacity, you can change the colour. We also have a project through system, which means whatever you do on the left side of your car will automatically appear on the right, making it a lot easier to come up with a good symmetrical design. One of the nice little features you can use in the decal system is the gradient option. And this is a really quick and funky way of changing the colour of the car. For example, you could have yellow at the front and red at the back, and you can do it in a couple of simple steps. We also have a layering system, which means you can quickly cut and paste and copy designs around the car. This makes it very quick to come up with neat designs without spending too much time. Another great feature is if you come up with a paint scheme that you're really proud of, you can set a price and go and sell it online to your mates. What we want to do now is tune it up and get it ready to race. So go into the performance section of the modding, and here we can add extra weight packs, power packs and handling packs. These will all alter the way the car drives and how it will perform in a race. On top of that, later on in the game you'll be able to apply the prototype packs and the extreme nitrous packs, and these are going to make the car totally maxed out and gain entrance into exclusive events. As we've shown, it's quick and easy to take a factory car, mod it up, make it look great and get it ready to race.